Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. I am a mum of 3, originally from Lancashire, but I'm currently living on the Isle of Man. I like to do food hauls and other types of videos, but today I decided to do meals of the week. So we've got 7 meals and I've been cooking with the kids, including some pizzas and also some homemade beef pies. I'm going to upload the recipe video for that next week, I'm hoping. I have a food haul coming up on Friday and I hope you can check that out. And if you are new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. So let's get on with the video. So tonight for dinner is Bavette steak, and I just made like a quick creamy oat mustardy type sauce. Asparagus, peppers, onions, fries, Brussels sprouts, green beans, and there's a gherkin as well. So this is what is for dinner tonight. So today the presentation's not fancy with my lentils. It's just a quick dinner. I will leave the recipe video above if you want to check it out. I'm sorry about the steam. I've made basmati rice, some cucumber, beetroot, and then I've made a lentil dahl with some spinach in there. So this only takes like 15 minutes to make, quick and easy. So yeah, this is what is for dinner today. So today we're all having wraps and the kids have already started eating theirs. I've got the bird's eye like vegan chicken, which Ryan made with peppers, onions, there's all different types of things in there. And then he's like round the tortilla wrap on the, what's it called on the hot plate, isn't it? You've got a fish finger one, haven't you, Caleb? No, and then there's some fries. And then have you, is yours fish finger one, yeah? Is it nice, Micah? Yep, nice.
I want this.
Yummy. Leaving this to prove, and Caleb's going to split this up and then make 4 pizzas for him, Neva and Micah, and for Ryan. So I'm going to make the sauce in a minute when I have put all this shopping away. There's a food haul which I'll link above. So I've got to sort all this out so that I can make the sauce. I'm just going to make a super quick tomato sauce. You can just do this in the pan, but I like it smooth. So I've got a tin of chopped tomatoes that I'm just going to put in this like ninja. If you've got a food processor or one of those hand things, you could use it though. And then I've got some tomato paste. I don't measure anything out, I just do it all by like eyeing it. I would say it's probably like a tablespoon in there. And then I've got like a bit of salt. And then I've just got some brown sugar. I like to use date syrup, but I don't have any left. So I'm just going to put like a little bit in, maybe like a teaspoon. That just takes the like acidity away. And then you can put some herbs in. So I've just got some mixed herbs. I like to put quite a bit in, like a teaspoon or more. And then basil. I really like that flavour, so I'm just going to, even though there's basil in the mixed herbs, I'm just going to add a bit more. And then this is optional, but I've just got some extra virgin olive oil, which I'm just going to put a little bit in. And also I'm going to put in a clove of garlic. I haven't put that in yet because I need to just chop, not chop it up, I need to peel it. And then I'm just going to blitz it and then I'll show you what it looks like. Here is the garlic. I'm going to put it in. If you've not got like a high powered blender, then you might have to chop that up, but I'm just going to put this, put the lid on, and then I'm just going to blitz it in my ninja. I'm going to blitz it now. So it's finished now. I'm just going to pour it in. I wouldn't add like water to this to get it out. Try and scrape it out if you can, because if you put water in, it's just going to make it super soggy and you don't want your pizza to get all, you know, soggy. But this tomato sauce, I use this as a base for like Bolognese, so obviously you could put a bit of water in then. But I'm going to bring it to the boil and then I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Just get it heated up, and obviously you want the garlic to cook as well. And then I'll show you what it looks like, and then when they're putting it on for the pizza. Also at this stage, I probably just like, when I've cooked it, I'll taste it as well and just see if it needs a bit more tomato paste or a bit more sugar. It's all down to your own preference really, and like I said, I don't really use measurements. So that looks really good. And is that that's yours?
That's mine and this is mine.
Right.
Bigger than anyone's. Dad?
It's a bit of a too big clove of garlic. It's very, very garlicky. So I probably would have put less garlic in. Also, I had to put in a little bit more sugar because it was still a bit too acidic. But with this sauce, when I said before, bring it to a boil and then let it cook on a low medium heat, I would say, so that it just thickens up. Because if you can see here, it's not super thick, but we're in a rush to eat because it's so late with us cooking because I've been shopping. So we're just going to have it like that. Then you're going to put some cheese on. Yeah. So usually it'd be a bit thicker, but it might thicken up as each piece is going in.
There. Done.
Okay. Nice.
Now this is definitely going to work.
This is just going to put some mozzarella on. How are you getting on, Caleb?
It's just sticking. So sticky.
If you put a look, oh, you've got flour there. Look.
It's just so sticky. Look,
Try.
watch. Maybe if I take this non-sticky flour out.
Yeah, maybe that's what it is. Hi, Micah.
Hello, neighbour.
You're making your pizza.
Hello, neighbour. I tasted this.
Nice, neighbour. That looks good. Do you want to taste that?
Yeah.
Is it nice? Nom nom.
This is my cheese. Done. Now let's get some olives.
It's all done. She's put some olives on, and Mike said that he wants olives, and she's saving some for Ryan as well. Neighbours, she's opted for having olives on hers, and Mike wants olives as well. So we're just making all the other pizzas. So yes, this is what's going to be for dinner tonight, and they are also having like a salad as well with it, and I've put some potatoes in the oven. We're just waiting for the rest of the pizzas to do. Mike's is done, Neighbours is done. Here's the salad. There's the potatoes, and there's the real cola. So we're just waiting for the other pizzas to do, and this is for dinner tonight. Okay, so today is the mushroom bolognese, and I've put some of the parmesan on top, and then there's the tagliatelle. So this is Ryan's. We've already eaten, but he only got back from work late. So this is what is for dinner today. So tonight is the breaded haddock with mushy peas, broccoli, green beans, carrots and red cabbage. And then I just parboiled some potatoes, chop them up, put a bit of walnut oil on and then cook them in the oven. Yeah, so this is what is for dinner tonight. So this has been chilling now, and I've got my meat here. The kids want individual pies. So I've got these little ramekins. Frank is saying that he's ready to cook. Are you excited? Wow, look at this. So we are all done. This is drowning a little bit, this one. We put a lot of egg on.
Not now.
Not now. We're going to put them in the oven now, aren't we? So we've got that. And then I parboiled, well actually I boiled them a bit too much, some potatoes, put a bit of salt and oil on. I'm going to put them in the oven as well. And then we're going to get a tray, Micah, for those pies. What are these, what we've made?
Pie.
We made steak pie. Enjoyed making the pastry, haven't you? You can't wait to try these, eh? So all the pies are done now, and I've served it with cauliflower, carrots, green beans and Brussels sprouts and the potatoes. I didn't manage to get all of them out of the ramekins, but as you can see, this is mine here. And it's not got a soggy bottom, as Mary Berry would say on British Bake Off. I'm going to chop into mine because I want you to see what it looks like. So let me just get a knife out, try and film this with one hand. Yes, that's what it's looking like inside. And I'm going to taste it. Kel, do you want to taste some of mine? Let me know if the pastry's nice.
Oh,
What do you think?
mine, me.
Is it nice?
Me.
You want to taste some? You did a really good job making these pies, Micah. Do you know that? And what do you think?
I want to taste them.
Nice? Yeah? And Neva, what do you think? Everyone's eating my pie. Is it nice, Neva? Yeah, so this is the end of the video. So yes, this is the end of the video. I really hope that you liked it, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to put some playlists here of other food that I've cooked, and if you have any suggestions or anything for any other recipes, then please let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!